Have you ever wanted to explore your backyard? Have you ever looked out your window wishing you could feel that cool, refreshing breeze? Have you ever lifted a leaf to find a little bug just enjoying the scenery? Well, now is your chance to be that bug. Come enjoy the scenery of our backyard here at Crater Lake National Park. Feel the breeze on the beautiful lakeshore of this caldera and explore what makes this inactive supervolcano one that brings almost 500,000 visitors each year. Crater Lake started off just like any other caldera. A volcano named Mount Mazama emptied its magma chamber about 400,000 years ago, and did so a bit too quickly. The chamber then collapsed on itself, creating what we call a caldera. Over a long period of time, rain and leftover snowmelt collected in the crater left by the eruption, forming the lake. There aren't any streams flowing into the lake, so this cycle is how it maintains its water levels. The park was founded in May of 1902 and quickly became known due to its originality. It was officially discovered by a trio of gold miners back in 1853 and originally named Deep Blue Lake due to its rich indigo color. Crater Lake is the ninth deepest in the world and maintains very stable temperatures of about 55 degrees at the surface and 38 at the bottom. So as you can imagine, there aren't very many places to take a dip. There are only two boats allowed on the lake, one for scientific purposes and the other for tourism. This is to help cut down on pollution on and near the lake. The climate of Crater Lake is not for the faint of heart. There's snow falling from October to June, and with highs in the summer topping off at about 67 degrees, it would be wise to bring a jacket. If you plan on spending a day here, know that thunderstorms and blizzards are frequent. The lake is home to two islands, Wizard and Phantom Ship. Wizard Island is actually a lava dome volcano forming on the grave of Mount Mazama. Phantom Ship Island is just a large natural rock formation. The park also has two waterfalls, Vidae Falls and Plaqueney Falls. Crater Lake is renowned for its crystal clear waters and its diverse wildlife. It has its own species of newt, along with a variety of birds such as eagles and fish such as trout and salmon. Many mammals inhabit the park as well, such as beaver, elk, and bear. The lake isn't all one can experience here, however. The park features many more interesting phenomena, such as the pinnacles, which are large needles of cemented gas that escaped the volcano during the eruption. We also hold the Pumice Castle, yet another beautiful example of nature's formations. One of the most interesting features, though, has to be what we here at the park call the Old Man of the Lake. He's a 30-foot log that has been bobbing upright for more than 100 years. His earliest recording was in 1896. And while only 4 feet of the log is above the surface, tourists can see the entire log because of the lake's extreme clarity. Now I'm sure, after all of this information, you're dying to get here. Well, the park is located in southern Oregon, just off Crater Lake Highway. The park does not have any physical address, and from Michigan it's about a 2-day travel by car. But those looking for a little adventure with a beautiful payoff look no further than Crater Lake.